DoNotPay subscription legal management app. The pros, the cons. The DoNotPay subscription legal management app aims to help users control their subscriptions and avoid unwanted charges, but most people think managing subscriptions is just a minor inconvenience. The surprising truth is that DoNotPay uses AI to identify recurring charges, cancel subscriptions automatically, and even recover money from miscancellations. One major pro is convenience. Users can link their accounts, and the app detects active subscriptions, including hidden or forgotten ones, and manages them efficiently. For example, a user who forgets a streaming service subscription can cancel it instantly and prevent further charges. Another advantage is cost savings. DoNotPay not only cancels subscriptions, but also provides dispute tools for refunds, saving users potentially hundreds of dollars per year. Its AI-driven interface makes the process faster than contacting companies individually. However, there are cons. The app is most effective for standard subscriptions, but highly customized payment plans, corporate accounts, or certain international services may not be fully supported. Users should also monitor their accounts periodically to ensure cancellations are processed correctly. In conclusion, the DoNotPay subscription legal management app is a practical, time-saving tool for anyone looking to regain control over recurring payments and avoid unnecessary costs. While not perfect for every scenario, it offers remarkable convenience and efficiency for managing subscriptions legally and proactively.